How to boost search engine traffic using these 3 tips. In this video, I will show you how to boost your search engine traffic using these 3 tips. You'll learn some of the best techniques experts use to improve their website's visibility and ranking. Stay tuned. This video will discuss how to boost your search engine traffic using these tips. So, SEO is the process of optimizing your website to earn higher web traffic levels from search engines. It's one of the most critical aspects of digital marketing and is used to draw in more visitors to your website through unpaid, organic search results. You can do many different things to improve your SEO, but today we're going to focus on 3 key strategies: keyword research, content optimization, and backlinking. First, keyword research. When it comes to SEO, keywords are everything. You need to find the right keywords to target with your content to drive more traffic to your website. There are a lot of great tools out there to help you do this, like Google AdWords Keyword Planner. The second is content optimization. Once you've identified the right keywords to target, you need to make sure your content is optimized for those keywords. This means using them throughout your article, title, and metadata tags. Finally, backlinking. One of the most important aspects of SEO is building backlinks from other websites. This helps show search engines that your website is an authority on the topic and boosts your ranking in their search results. There are many ways to build backlinks, but some of the best methods include guest blogging, link building campaigns, and directory submissions. So those are 3 key SEO strategies you can use to boost your search engine traffic. For more tips and tricks on how to improve your SEO, be sure to check out our other videos.